Filling a layer with colors or patterns in Photoshop seems very simple. In fact, maybe the method you used is not the most professional. If you are using Option plus Backspace to fill the layer, or maybe use the rectangle tool, you will find that once you change the canvas size, it will leave a lot of trouble in the future. So we need a better tool to fill the entire layer. You can go to the top menu, then Layer, find New Fill Layer, where there are 3 filling methods. Let's try solid color first. Select any color and click OK. After filling the color, you can also double-click the color in the layer panel and change it again. The difference is if you resize the canvas much bigger. You will find that this solid color still fills the entire canvas. This is where Fill Layer is much more professional. Similarly, you can also click this icon below the layer panel to find these 3 filling methods. This time, we are working on Gradient. It is also very simple to use, and the only difference from solid color is that you can create any gradient color. The last one is Pattern. But I personally have not used this function that often. Can anyone tell me in the comment what this pattern fill is for? That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.